More often than not, we overcomplicate the process of marketing your book effectively as a new or an aspiring author. So today I want to share 4 simple strategies that you can incorporate into your marketing plan that will take under 10 minutes. The first strategy is to research hashtags. Hashtags are all the rage because here's the thing, if you just post on your page all the time on Instagram, you're only going to continuously get in front of your own audience. Hashtags allow you to get in front of a new and expansive audience as well. But it's important that you're using hashtags appropriately. For example, there's thousands and millions of hashtags available for authors, writers of Instagram, writers community, Black Authors Rock, I am writing. Like there's a million different hashtags that you can use, but you have to be intentional about using hashtags that your readers will actually follow. So the best thing you can do is take some time and review the hashtags. See what kind of posts are coming under there. See what kind of comments are underneath of those hashtags as well, and then determine how you can incorporate those hashtags into what you post. The second tip is to actually engage online. It serves nobody for you to research hashtags and incorporate those hashtags into your post if you're not actually engaging. So one of the things that I actually do as an author is I do a 3-2-1 strategy. So I comment on 3 new posts, I like 2 new posts, and I try to follow 1 new person. This ensures that I'm getting in front of a new and expansive audience, like I mentioned earlier, and not just limiting myself, because the more people you get in front of, the more people you get an opportunity to potentially put your book in their hands as well. The third strategy is to ensure that you're filling out your social media bio appropriately. This is your first impression that you're going to be offering your readers. So you want to make sure that your bio is super clear about who you are and what you have to offer. Maybe you have a free training with your book. Maybe you just released your book and you want to put the link. Make sure that your bio on all of your social media platforms really gives a good first impression of who you really are. Finally, the fourth or last strategy that you can use to market your book and market yourself effectively as an author in under 10 minutes is to go through all of the reviews that you have received on your book. This may be going through your reviews on Amazon, maybe they're on your website, maybe you've had a one-on-one conversation with a reader, but you want to take the reviews that you've received and start pulling out key pointers or quotes that your readers have given you. And the reason that this is important is because you could speak so highly of your book all day and talk about the value of your book, but when somebody else is talking about the value of your book, it really helps other readers know why they should be enticed or intrigued to actually move forward and purchase it. So once you go through these reviews, start thinking about how you can weave them into the content that you're giving online. Maybe you're putting up a quote. Maybe you're giving feedback or testimonial that a reader has given you. But you really want to make sure that you're sharing it so that, again, readers have an opportunity to see why your book is so impactful or why your book is so life-changing, or more importantly, why they should be moving forward and actually purchasing your book. Here's the cool thing. A lot of these strategies that I've shared with you today can be utilized even if you haven't finished writing your book. For example, you can start researching hashtags now. You can start pre-seeding now by letting people know what they can expect with your book. You can start changing your bio now to say that you are an aspiring or up-and-coming author. These are great strategies to begin to pre-seed so that when it's time to actually launch your book, you're not launching to crickets. If you're looking for more strategies to make money and to market effectively as an author, look below and you can get my author's guide to making money using social media using the link and joining us below. The second opportunity that you can take to really move into the next step is if you are an aspiring author and you're on the journey of writing and really want to self-publish effectively, I have a totally free training called Write Your Book in 30 Days. And you can use the link below to join me for my free and upcoming training so that you can learn how to effectively write, publish, and prosper off of your book. Either route you go, I look forward to seeing you there, and I hope that you have an absolutely amazing day. Bye, guys.